Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you how to use the File Manager application within your hosting account. This tutorial assumes you already have a domain name and hosting plan with GT Media. To access the File Manager, from your account dashboard, click on My Hosting within the hosting area of the navigation menu. Click the three dots next to your hosting plan and click View Details. In your Account section, click on the File Manager icon, and in here, you will see a folder called Domains. This folder is where all of your purchased and assigned as add-on domains for your hosting reside. Click on the Domains folder. Click on the desired domain, and all of the website files reside in the public_HTML folder. Notice that the breadcrumbs navigation allows you to go back to any of the previous folders. In here, you can create a directory using the blue Create Directory button, or upload files directly from File Manager by clicking the three dots next to the Create Directory button and then Upload. This concludes this tutorial. We hope you've enjoyed it. If you found it helpful, please click like and subscribe to our channel. We also offer many other tutorials, so check them out as well. Thank you.